It started with a feeling in a California park. That simple, honest connection to the fire where families enjoy laughs. We saw how the flame brought people together, and we began to wonder, how do we bring that pure soul to the modern backyard? That spark led us to the Infinity Argentine Grill. We took that inspiration back to our home, the factory, to bridge the gap between tradition and engineering. We started where all great things begin, with a prototype. Testing, failing, improving. Then, the process meets precision. Laser-cut steel for perfect fit. Hand-welded seams for lifelong durability. This is where the Infinity takes shape. Every component is laid bare, then painstakingly integrated into a single, seamless machine. Then, we bring it to life. No buttons, no apps, just the shovel, the coal, and the flame. This is the Infinity difference. The V-groove grates drain the fat away to prevent flare-ups, while the drippings sizzle right against the meat, basting it in its own flavor. You're the master of the heat. Total control over the distance between the flame and the feast. Smart features are everywhere. But real fun? We're bringing back the original social media, the crackle of a wood fire. This is a return to the purest form of cooking, the same ritual our ancestors began thousands of years ago at the dawn of human civilization. Infinity, bringing you back to the art of the open fire.
Prokan, your backyard, their jealousy.